Hello YouTube, welcome to my video and welcome to my channel, Rena's Arts Adventures. I am Rena, and pretty much with this channel, all I'm going to be doing is multiple different types of art projects. This year I really wanted to focus on slowing down, just getting a little bit more patient with letting things grow and bloom versus trying to rush and make it happen right away. Pretty much trying to work on that divine timing type of thing, right? So that's what this channel is going to be about. A lot of the projects that I'm going to pick take a lot of time to dry, cure. I will be using resin. I know it's called resin, but I call it reason. So yes, you will hear me say it just like that. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know, do you like this art piece? It's simple acrylic paint. All of the paint is from Dollar Tree. Actually, all of these items are from Dollar Tree. But yeah, so let me know, is it a hit or is it a miss? You know, let me know in the comments. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.